As soon as you step foot into the nation's capital, you can see Parliament Hill and various monuments to Canada. But what can be pretty hard to see are traces of the city's Indigenous history. That's where Jamie Morse comes in with Indigenous Walks. She started the walking tour just over 5 years ago. And while it isn't the only program of its kind in Canada, it is some of the most comprehensive. She has four guides and is hiring more. She has five different tours, and they run all year long. On an Indigenous walking tour, you're not only taken to monuments that litter the city, but you're shown parts of the city that you may not have known are related to Indigenous history. Take a look at the Lord Elgin Hotel. When I took a tour with Jamie, she told us that it was named after a former Governor General to Canada who sent a force of over 100 rifles to suppress a quote, Indian uprising. Or the famous five monument on Parliament Hill. Most of us know the famous five for fighting for women's right to vote, but did you also know that they encouraged the forced sterilization of Indigenous women? Probably not. I didn't. Morse also points out facts like these in hopes that it will help visitors reevaluate their views. She says it's important to run Indigenous walking tours in Ottawa because Ottawa has always been a gathering place for Indigenous people. She also says that it's because Parliament Hill sits on unceded, unsurrendered Algonquin territory. And that's something that's really important to acknowledge. So if you find yourself in Ottawa this summer, maybe check out one of Morse's walking tours for a different view of Canada's history.
The Agenda in the Summer with Nam Kiwanuka is brought to you by the Chartered Professional Accountants of Ontario. CPA Ontario is a regulator, an educator, a thought leader, and an advocate. We protect the public. We advance our profession. We guide our CPAs. We are CPA Ontario. And by viewers like you. Thank you.